Hello coders! In today's video, we are going to solve the 17th problem of famous LeetCode SQL 50 playlist. Today's problem is Project Employees 1. First, let's understand the table schema. Here we have two tables, the project table and the employee table. In the project table, we have two columns, the product ID and the employee ID, where the product ID plus the employee ID, the both the columns are used as primary key here. And here in the employee table we have three columns, that is employee ID, name and the years of experience. Here employee ID is a primary key of this table. Okay, let us understand the problem statement. Write a SQL query that reports the average experience year of all the employees for each project, round to 2 digits. So what is given here is each project in a company may have different number of employees working on them. So you have to calculate the average year of experience of each project by the number of employees, by using the number of employees, and round the average experience to 2 digits and return the result table in any order. So there is no ordering here. Let us understand the example now. In the project table, we have two projects with ID 1 and 2 and 4 employees with different IDs of 1, 2 and 4. Here in the project ID 1, there are 3 employees working, 1, 2 and 3 are working. And in the project ID 2, there are 2 employees are working, which is 1 and 4. Okay. And in the employee table, we are having the employee's ID and their name and their years of experience. Now let's see how the output is calculated. They have asked to calculate the years of experience of all the employees for each project. So we are going to group the projects here. So we are going to group the 3 rows of the table into one and the 2 rows of this table into one. So that only we are getting 1 and 2. There are only 2 projects available. And how the average years of experience is calculated is, here we have 3 employees, okay, with how many years of experience? 3, 2 and 1 years of experience respectively. So we are going to add up all these things. For the project ID 1, there are 3 employees, that is 1, 2 and 3, whose years of experience are 3, 2, 1 respectively. So you would add up all the 3 their years of experience, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. To calculate the average, you will divide it by the number of employees. So there are 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, that's the value given here. Okay, you can see it clearly here. For the project number 1, 3 employees, their experience are 3, 2 and 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2 rounded up to 2 decimal places. And for the second projects, we have 2 employees, Khalid and Do. Khalid's exam years of experience is 3 and Do's years of experience is 2. And so the average years of experience for the second project would be 3 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 2.50. Okay, I think the question is very much clear now. Let's try to write the query part. Select P dot project ID, that is project ID from the project table, comma, we are going to calculate the average years of experience which is in the employee table. So average of E dot employee table dot experience years. Okay, and we are going to round it up. Round for 2 decimal places and whose title is average salary. That is the name of that column is average years. Okay, we are going to select this from project table and join to employee table on upon using the employee id. Okay, p dot employee id. Okay, employee id equal to e dot employee id. Okay, and you're going to group this by the project id. So group by project id. Okay, from the projects table. Okay, let's try to run it. It is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it. It is submitted successfully. Thank you for watching.